up high and shoulders strong. Knees bend low, toes tap along. Touch your ears and wiggle your nose. Blink your eyes and strike a pose. Move your body big and small. Let's have fun and move them all. Clap your hands and spin around. Stamp your feet upon the ground. Point to elbows, stretch your back. Jump up high, then slow the track. Every move helps muscles grow. Fast or slow, just go, go, go. Reach for the sky, then touch the floor. Count your fingers 1 to 4. Shake your legs and sway your hips. Smile wide and lick your lips. Bodies move in funny ways, dancing through our happy days. Close your eyes and breathe in deep. Roll your shoulders, bend and leap. Twist your waist and shake your knees. Balance now, if you please. Strong and steady, calm and bright. Moving feels so good and right. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. From your ears down to your nose. Wave goodbye with happy cheer. Thank your body far and near. Move, learn, laugh, and then we say, great job, friends, hooray today.
Oh, rhyme. A says, like apple so red brown. B says, as ball is bounced ahead. C says, like cat going meow. And come sing the sounds, let's start right now. D says, like drum we can beat it. E says, with eggs so neat. F says, like fish in the sea. A phonics is fun for you and me. G says, like goat that plays part. H says, like hat we wear all day. I says, I like igloo so cold. Listen and learn, be brave and bold. J says, like used to sip hay. K says, with kite we flip. L says, like lion so loud. Say the sounds, shout them proud. M to Z, let's sing them through. Each little sound is fun to do. Letters and sounds all shine so bright. ABC phonics, you did it right. A says, like apple so right round. E says, buzz ball is bounced ahead. Z says, like cat going meow. Come sing the sounds, let's start right now. D says, like cat we're all day chin. E says, like cat so neat. F says, like fish in the sea. Phonics is fun for you and me. Five little monkeys bounce with delight, laughing and giggling late at night. They leaped so high and laughed instead. Then one slipped down off the cozy bed. Four little monkeys jumped around. Thumpity thump was the only sound. They spun and twirled and bumped their head. Now only three were on the bed. Three little monkeys tried to be neat, jumping softly on tiny feet. One lost balance and slid ahead. That left just two on the bed. Two little monkeys said we'll be slow, but bounce, 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 they couldn't say no. One rolled off with a sleepy yawn. Now only one monkey carried on. One little monkey looked all around. No jumping friends could now be found. He curled right up and rested instead, soon fast asleep on the quiet bed. Two little monkeys said we'll be slow, but bounce, 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 they couldn't say no.
duck splashed by the shore, waddle away to explore some more. Mama duck called with a gentle cluck, back swam 4 little ducks, just luck. Four little ducks paddled side by side, racing the ripples on a bubbly ride. Mama duck quacked as the sun dipped low, back came 3 little ducks in a row. 3 little ducks chased a dragonfly, laughing and flapping as it zoomed by. Mama duck called as clouds rolled through, back came 2 little ducks, peekaboo. 2 little ducks drifted far and wide, floating together on the shiny tide. Mama duck quacked, it's time to come, back came 1 little duck, just one. 1 little duck felt lonely and slow, turned right around and paddled home. Mama duck hugged them safe and snug, soon all 5 ducks shared a happy hug.
1, 2, tie shoes tight. 1, 2, tie shoes tight. Getting ready feels just right. Step by step we start the day. Count along as we go play. 3, 4, tap the door. Marching feet go 1 time more. Clap your hands and touch the floor. Learning numbers 1, 2, 4. 5, 6, pick up sticks. Stack them straight and do cool tricks. Count them slow and count them quick. Math is fun when you mix and mix.